am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a new subscription box for you. Look how cute this box is. It looks like a little suitcase. Even the straps that were around it, I did cut these, looked like, you know, little belt buckle type of straps. So bikini.com came out with their own subscription box. It's called the Wanderlust box. Anyway, they contacted me and asked if I would like to review their subscription box, and I was really excited about this one. So I started opening it and then I was like, this is too beautiful, I have to do this on camera. So let me just show you the inside of the box here. So you've got this beautiful oceany thing, and bikini.com, obviously a bikini website, but the Wanderlust box has basically like travel essentials, that kind of thing, exciting things revolving around a particular location that you might vacation in, that sort of thing. So anyway, I just thought this was so beautifully packaged, I couldn't bear to open it just yet. Even this little booklet, I mean, it's got like the shiny plastic on the outside, and obviously this theme is the Maldives. I always thought it was Maldives, and then Colin was like Maldives, and now I feel like I don't know how to pronounce anything. It's got this fabulous little booklet, and it talks about some of the products that are in it, but we're going to go directly to the box first. So a cute little thank you note on there. Okay, let's open this. I'm gonna try to do this so that you can actually see this and do it with me, because I'm really excited. Okay, slides right up. Whoa, baby! Oh my gosh, are you seeing this? Oh, I'm so excited. Wow, what is all this stuff? Oh, I cannot wait. This box is huge. Okay, let's see if I put the box here. Can you still see me? All right, I see some things from Cella. Cella has great eyebrow stuff. Luscious light brown eyebrow cream and latte highlighter. Ooh, I'm excited about this. I actually had a brow highlighter from Cella that I got, I think, in a Birchbox a million years ago. Okay, so on this end, we've got a brush, and then I'm assuming the product is on this end. Okay, so it's like a pomade type, and then you dip your brush into this end. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. Okay, nice. I like this. It feels really creamy. I like the color. I'm so excited about this, you guys. And then this is a highlighting pencil. This looks like, that might actually be okay for a summer color for me to put under my brows. I love using a brow highlighter like this just under your brow. What else? What else? What else? What is this? Is this a bag? Yes, it is. It's a cute little tote that says, I'm glowing to class. That's cute. Oh, I love that. What is this shiny thing? YHF Los Angeles. Oh, it's sunglasses. Oh, I guess that would make, I love this case. Isn't this fun? And I love triangular cases like this. I just think they're cute. Okay, I can tell you right now that I am not going to keep these sunglasses. These are not my thing, but let's try them on anyway so you guys can see. Oh, these are really interesting. Oh my gosh, okay. What do we think? Cute? Cute? I can't wear glasses with nose pads. I mean, you can see, I'm sure you've seen it. I have like this scar. It just looks like a big red mark on my nose all the time. And that's because I had a pair of glasses that had nose pads like this, and they irritated my skin so much. Can't do nose pads. I'll have to give those away to somebody. This is a cute little card. 25 square prints of your photos for free. How fun! Parabo Press 4-inch squares are printed on extra thick matte paper with a crisp white border, just like this print, but without all the writing on the back. Order your free prints through September 30th. Download the... How fun! Oh, how cool. I'm definitely going to do that and make like a cute little collage or something, like little Instagram photos. Those are adorable. And this is a nice cardstock. That is fun. DeoWipes, Jasmine Pear. Okay, so it's little individual sachets of deodorant wipes. These are really nice when you are out and about and it's like, you're too stinky, girl. Like you can't get away to take a shower, but you are too stinky to just reapply your deodorant. So you get a deodorant wipe. Sometimes I'll just use baby wipes and then apply my deodorant, that kind of a thing. I get stinky. These are awesome. These are fun. These are great for travel too. Okay, what else? Gosh, there's so much stuff in this box. I'm so excited. And it's all little presents. How cute is this? I totally just spit. Did you see that? I love how they package this box. Sparkle reduces wrinkles, improves elasticity, skin boost. What is this? Because it's got supplement facts. This is a supplement? You put it like in your smoothie? So it's got bioactive collagen, peptides, and vitamin C. Suggested use, mix 1 scoop provided inside the bottle into water, juice, smoothies, or yogurt. Can be consumed hot or cold. I do make myself smoothies all the time, and I usually put some sort of supplement in there. So I'm actually really excited to try this. And it has a little recipe for a smoothie on here. Oh, and a 10% off coupon. This is really great. I can't wait to use this. In fact, I think as soon as I'm done filming, I'm gonna go make myself a smoothie. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, and I will post a picture of my smoothie and let you know how it is. What is this? I'm confused. Is this like a... Oh, okay, I have eye mask things like this, where it's... Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. I love this. It smells good. First of all, I love this packaging with the giant blue lips. And can you see the texture on that? Like they're wet lips, essentially. This is really cool. I'm excited to use this on my lips because I do have really bad lip wrinkles. So that's fun. Ooh, this is Winky Lux. I actually really like Winky Lux, but I never buy any of their stuff because it's kind of expensive. But I get samples of their stuff in subscription boxes all the time. So coffee something. It's really shiny, and for some reason it's hard for me to read. Oh, it's a little compact. Is this like a little powder? I mean, you know, if that's your skin tone, you could just use it as a regular powder, or you could use it as a bronzer. Oh, I like that big mirror on there too. It smells like coffee and chocolate. It smells like, oh my gosh, that smells so good. Wow. Oh, I can't wait to try this. I'm really excited about this. They have, Winky Lux has a coffee eye palette that I'm dying to get. One of these days, I'm just gonna have to splurge and get it because it's so cute, and it's evidently supposed to, it probably all smells like this, like that coffee chocolatey scent. I want it so badly. There's more, there's more. Hello Activated Charcoal with Fresh Mint and Coconut Oil. Fluoride-free whitening toothpaste. Yay, I actually needed toothpaste. I know that seems like so silly to be excited about, but I've been using charcoal powder, and I ran out of my, was it High Smile? Was that the whitening brand that I was using? Oh my gosh, you guys, I've done so many whitening things. I think it was High Smile, and I was using their toothpaste, and they had a charcoal toothpaste that I really, really liked, but I ran out of it, and I've been trying to use my Crest just to use it up because I hate wasting products. Fluoride-free whitening toothpaste, activated charcoal with fresh mint and coconut oil. Guys, I'm really excited about this toothpaste right now. That seems so silly, and I feel a little embarrassed being so excited about toothpaste. I'm just gonna taste it. Oh, it's super minty. Woo, minty. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited about this. I know that's weird to be so excited about toothpaste, but you guys, legit, I'm excited about this. And this is a big tube. 2 more things in here. Okay, so what is this? We have Rose Ruby Gemstone Face Mist. Ooh. Rose floral water infused with pure ruby gemstone, antioxidant-rich white tea extract, beautifying hibiscus extract, and nutrient-giving seaweed extract. Combines to form this brightening toner, youth booster, and hydration enhancer. So we're gonna try this out. Okay, it's not too rose. You know, I don't like rose products, and it definitely has rose in it, but it's not so strong that I'm gagging. So that's nice. It actually does feel really nice. Oh, that feels really great. I love facial sprays, especially in the summer. They're just so refreshing. Okay, and because I have dry skin, I always like to add a little moisture boost. Okay, wow, what is this? Okay, this has several things in it. Let's see. Oh, some midnight, oh, I have this. This is the Moonlit Skincare Midnight Shift Overnight Facial Oil. I've been using this for several weeks now, and I use it every night, and I love this stuff. It definitely has like a lavendery scent, which is very soothing and calming, that sort of a thing, but it's not overpowering or super strong. Like, I put it on and I smell it as I'm putting it on, but not like for any time after, you know what I mean? So I've been using this every night before bed for a while now, and I really love it. Oh, some hair things. Scrunchies. You guys, I know scrunchies, like I always think of Sex and the City when Berger and Carrie are totally having that argument about the main character of his book wearing a scrunchie in her hair, and then they go to the restaurant and they're, you know, oh my goodness, you think I'm from New York City? You know, just, I always think of that, but I love scrunchies. They don't pull out my hair, and they're so easy to use, and they're back in style. And these ones are super cute. I love the little dangly bit, almost like a bandana. but it's a scrunchie. These are adorable. I'm super excited about those. Ooh, another Winky Lux product. Winky Lux is cruelty-free, by the way. Ooh, that's a sparkly color. Looks like a lip gloss. I don't have my glasses on and I can't read anything. What does that say? Sardine glaze? I really hope not. I'm gonna have to, I'll put it up here later as soon as I put my glasses on and I can actually read this. Okay, so it's a really sheer pink sparkly lip gloss. Can you see it on my hand down there? I love these kind of lip glosses that just give you like a sheer wash of moisture and sparkles, especially in the summertime. So that's fun. Plus this packaging. How cute is this packaging? It's donuts and flowers. I love it. Okay, what else is in here? What else is in here? All right, so we have a code breakups to makeup. Love raised me, lipstick saved me. That's cute. This is a 20% coupon. YHF, that's that sunglasses brand. 20% off from them. Free lipstick and 15% off your next order at Chella.com. So basically just a bunch of coupons and stuff. And a pin with, is that a Winky Lux eye? That looks like a Winky Lux eye. See the little Winky Lux eye pin? That's cute. Mermaid vibes. Wicked Good. Oh, this is, oh, the Wicked Good perfume company, and this is Mermaid vibes. Let's see, is it a roll-on? Yeah. It definitely has, like, you know, like a beachy kind of a scent. It smells kind of floral, like, almost like gardenias. I wonder in my little booklet if it tells me what this actually smells like, because my sense of smell is never correct about anything. Let's see. This book has a recipe for a cocktail. Rum, apricot, brandy, grenadine, orange juice, pineapple juice. That sounds good. We've got a playlist, a reading list, places to stay, places to go if you're going to Maldives. Oh, and it says that subscribers will receive either the charcoal whitening toothpaste, which is what I got, or the sensitivity relief. Swim with Mermaid perfume roll-on. Okay, this uniquely handcrafted scent captures the atmosphere and attitude of summer. Ocean notes mingle with sea salt air, leading to the agave lace floral breeze of dewy cyclamen? Is that how you say that? Deep green notes of seagrass, kelp, and vetiver give the fragrance long-lasting depth and a sexy just back from the beach vibe. Not gardenia at all, but that's what it smelled like to me. Oh, the lip gloss, Praline lip gloss. What did I say it was? Sardine? Oh my gosh, those sunglasses are $60. Well, somebody's going to be getting a nice gift from me then, huh? You guys, this box is legit amazing. Thank you so much, Bikini.com, for sending me this Wonderlust box. This is amazing, you guys. I am absolutely thrilled with everything in here. This is a huge box of so much stuff, plus the box itself was so cute. Don't you just want one of these boxes? How cute is this? This would make the best gift ever, but honestly, I think you should just buy it for yourself. Especially if you're going on vacation, or if you're just gonna stay home and go to your in-laws' house to go swimming and pretend you're on vacation. That's what I'm doing today. You guys, I think I'm gonna make this cocktail. But seriously, I'm gonna make a smoothie right now with that collagen powder stuff, and I'll post it on Instagram. And as I use all of this stuff, make sure that you follow me on Instagram. I kind of stopped using Snapchat because they suck, but I'm not very good at Instagram stories either, so I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out there. So what do you guys ever pay attention to? Like, who's still on Snapchat and who uses just Insta stories and Instagram? I'm not big on Facebook and Twitter. Anyway, tell me, you guys, what do you think of this box? Are you as excited as I am? This is amazing. I'm really thrilled. I'm gonna put this in my hair right now because it's hot and my hair's down. How cute! I love it. I have no idea what my hair looks like right now. I apologize for the mess. And as always, I will leave all of the information in the description box. I will list all of the products as well as links to where you can get this box, and any sort of discount information that I have, I will definitely leave that in the description box for you. So make sure you check that out. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you again to Bikini.com for sending me this box. This is amazing. I super love it. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.